Hey everybody, I'm Yogi, and this is the supercalifragilisticexpialidocious Brown.
It never gets better. I'm sorry. Anyway, so we're here, and as you may notice, the cheese is already open and there's cheese crumbs everywhere and the knife's dirty. And the good thing about this is that you didn't have to endure watching me try to get in the cheese. And in fact, what you missed was Yogi got in the cheese. Yogi, and you missed his monumental, like, inaugural cheese opening, and we're very sorry.
I got to cut the cheese.
But it didn't record. So you get the Cliff Notes version. This is Boar's Head aged 12 months Caramella Cheese, which is the rich flavour of an aged Gouda blended with familiar notes of Parmesan. Actually, it's a product of Holland, also known as the Netherlands, and the ingredients are cultured pasteurised milk, salt and enzymes. So it's super clean, and it wasn't our favourite. And we're not going to eat any more because we just ate some and it's not our favourite. So the Cliff Notes of it were...
It's got a very distinct flavor to it. You can actually see there's bits of Parmesan actually in here. And it is the weirdest combination of creamy yet crumbly dry cheese I've ever had in my life. I really still don't know what to make of it. The flavor is actually quite nice. There's some nuttiness to it or something, but the texture is really unusual to us. It, however, could make a good cheese in a recipe. I don't know if we'd eat this straight up, but like maybe if it was grated onto something or in a sauce or melted onto something, it might be a very nice cheese because it actually does have a nice flavor.
It's got a lot of flavour.
It is very strong flavor.
If you wanted a cheese sauce without putting a lot of cheese in it, this might be your go-to. Yeah. But this is it's a strong cheese. It doesn't have the price on, but it's Boar's Head, so it's probably not staggeringly expensive. But I would not. But you may love it, but for us, it's got a rind on it which you need to cut off, and I would not choose it as an eating cheese, but I might use it as a cooking cheese. And that's and I'm really sorry that you missed Yogi opening the cheese. It was quite something.
Yeah, and it does leave you with a bit of an aftertaste too once you eat it, and that I'm getting that right now, and it's still lingering.
Yes, actually, very claggy, as we would say in England. Like I had palate cling for ages. Kind of, you know,
don't want to let you go.
Peanut butter, but
it don't want to let you go.
Yeah, it don't want to let you go.
It don't want to let you go.
Not our favourite. You may love it. It's strong, deep flavour. We think that it would be best used in a recipe.
You know, I think this is the only cheese we've reviewed so far that didn't get like a awesome stellar review.
We should not expect to like every single cheese, and it's nothing. It's not you cheese. It's us.
I am interested in trying this in something though. Like I think if it's cooked into something or if it's grated into something, I think we can use it. And like Carrie said, it is such a strong cheese. A little bit will do you.
Well, maybe if we remember, which is kind of unlikely, we'll report back once we've used it in a recipe.
Yes. Hey, there's a cat.
That's it for your cheese of the week.
All right, have a good one.
See you next week.